click this one and click this one, of course. And let me see. Yeah, already done. All right, so the topic that we are going to talk about for this afternoon is farmers. Open your book. Okay, this book. If you have this book, you can open it with me. I will find it. And yeah, here. Page 32 and 33. Yeah, page 32 and 33 in your book. So I know that you have your books with you. If you have your books with you, you can open it with me on that certain pages. Okay, pages 33 and 34, so that you can follow it. You can follow me. You can follow with me if you want to use your book, of course. So here, open this boy. I don't know what is your name. A notebook. Yeah, notebook. Notebook. Open your book. Okay, movement of animals. Yeah, that one. Thank you, notebook. You have that. Movement of animals, of course. Vocabulary. Right here. The first one is here. The first one is movement. Open to me. Okay, movement. So here, next we have walk. Number two, the third one we have run. We have the fourth, jump. The sixth, crawl. Then swim, climb, and fly. So these are the things that, or the vocabulary that we are going to learn today as we go on with this topic, movement of animals. Okay, how do animals move? How do animals move? Of course, the horse can run and can walk. Okay, the horse can run and can walk as well. The cheetah, of course, can run and can walk. All right, so we have another here. A dog is also can run and can walk as well. So another thing we have the cat. Some of you says like the cat is so cute. And cats can move and cats can run and can walk as well. Okay. See, according here, horses, cheetah, dogs, and cats walk and run with their legs. Okay, walk and run with their legs. So very important too. Remember, not only these animals, but these animals that you can see in your screen are only few for those animals that you can see in the zoo or in your surroundings that have these characteristics. Can walk, can run with their legs. Okay, give some animals which you think can run and can walk. Who can give? Raise your hand, please, if you want to answer this one. Of course, just raise your hand. Yorks, yes, we have Yorks. Give an animal which can walk and run. Yorks. What? Very noisy. So very noisy, no? All right. So we have here. Yes. Right. Yeah. Can right. Yeah. Yes. Give one animal that can. I see also. So I will not recognize more to those who are very noisy, because in the video it's not good in the video. All right, so we have here, yes. You are singing, so I thought you want to answer, but you're singing. So we have notebook. Yes, notebook.
Dog can run and dog can walk.
Okay, thank you. Dog can run and dog can walk. But aside from those animals that I put it there. All right, so we have also here this girl. Yes, girl. Give me an animal that can walk and can run. Okay. This one, the twins, yes. The twins. Animals that can walk and can run as well.
Lion.
Lion. Okay, thank you. Lion is one of the examples. Those animals that can run and can walk. All right, so let's proceed. So this one, the frog, what do you think? The frog can jump and the frog can jump, crawl, and swim. Okay? Frogs can jump or crawl on land with their legs, and also they can swim in the water with their legs too. So there are different purposes. Okay, the frog can jump and crawl with their legs, and in the water, they are actually using their legs as well to swim under the water, right? So, give some animals which you think can jump and crawl. Okay, is there any animal? Yes, Notebook. Notebook is raising his hand. So Notebook, okay, we recognize you.
Crow is the end, and frog can jump.
Yeah. Can you give me an example? Give one example of animal aside from frog. Yes, aside from frog, give me an example of animal that can crawl and can jump. Do you know?
And can and crawl with it, and can crawl, and grasshopper can jump.
Oh, thank you. You said grasshopper can jump and ants can crawl. Okay, thank you. I recognize that answer, boy. Thank you, boy, for trying hard. Yeah, for trying your best. All right, so those animals that can jump. Okay, some animals can only swim and crawl. Okay, there are animals that can swim and crawl only. And what are those animals? These are some examples that I listed here that you can see on your screen. Crocodile can crawl and swim. Yes. Crocodile can crawl and swim. Another thing, we have the tortoise can crawl and swim as well. Again, tortoise can crawl and swim as well. Okay, both, they can do it. Okay, who can give some animals which you think can crawl and swim? Okay, aside from crocodile, aside from tortoise, what are some animals that can crawl and swim? Who can give an answer to this one? Okay, someone is raising their hand, so we recognize this one. Hello? Yes? What's your answer? Okay, here. I have a question. So here, the twins, yes? Twins, what is your answer? Turtle, very good. Turtle is different from tortoise. Okay, turtle is one of the answers, okay, that can swim and crawl. Also, the frog. Frog is one of the examples as well. Okay. Oh, someone is raising their hand. Yes, boy.
Crocodile.
Crocodile finished. It's okay. It's okay, but your answer is correct. Crocodile is finished already, but your answer is correct. What? Okay. All right, so your answer is correct, boy. Your answer is correct, but the crocodile is already done because I give it as an example. Right, so we have here Austin. Austin?
Snake.
Snake.
Snake? Okay, okay, let's discover if the snake is crawling. Let's see. Okay, thank you, thank you. All right, so give some animals that something like that. All right, so here, give some animals that swim and jump. Is there any animals that like swimming and they're jumping as well? Is there any animals that can jump and can swim as well? Yeah. Jump after jumping, then swim again. Is there any animals swimming like this? Especially in the ocean. Yes, Austin?
Frog.
What?
Frog.
Oh, frog. Yeah, frog. Thank you. Thank you. Frog is correct. Yeah. All right. Can't. Yes, can't. All right, so you don't like to speak. All right, so another example that I will give you is the dolphin, right? Dolphin can jump and can swim as well. So thank you. Next, monkeys can climb and swing from tree to tree with their legs and arms. So remember, kids, this are the characteristics of a monkey. Okay, can swing, can swing and can climb from tree to tree with the use of their arms and legs. So who can give another example of animals that can swing, no? Can swing and can climb, aside from monkeys. Aside from monkeys, give me an example of animal that can climb and can swing as well. Okay, we have Austin. Austin?
Monkey.
Yeah, monkey finished. I told you already, monkey. Give another one, another one. Monkey is finished.
Bear.
Okay, what else? Okay, you don't know. All right, so yeah, I told you already, monkey. How about this one? Ken? Yes, Ken. Yes, Ken.
Koala bear.
What is that, please?
Koala bear.
Polar bear. Polar bear. The polar bear can climb. I don't know, but maybe. I don't know. Huh? I'm not sure about it. Can swing as well. So what about the yes, you keep on, keep on raising your hand. What is that? Give an example of animals that can climb and swing. Monkey finished. I give already monkey. What else? I didn't answer monkey. Yeah, monkey is correct, but I already give it. I already said it that monkey is doing like this. Give another example. Give another example. Think that can climb and swing. Okay, what's your answer? Yes. Yes. No. Okay, you don't like to answer. Great. How about this one? Chatrapat.
Panda.
Yes, panda. Panda is correct. Thank you. Okay, because we don't have time, we're stuck in here. Okay, I will give you some. We have the chimpanzee, we have the panda, we have the gorilla, and so on. Okay, those animals that can climb on the trees and swing as well. Okay, most birds like pigeons can what? Pigeons, parrots, And flamingos can walk with their feet and fly with their wings. Okay, okay, kids. These animals can fly and can walk by the use of their feet. Okay, okay. Give some animals which you think can walk and fly. Okay, which you think can walk and fly. Huh? There are two. Walk and fly. Okay, you.
Walk and fly.
Walk and fly.
Walk and fly.
Okay, okay, okay. Can walk and can fly. Who can give? Hasin, Delta.
Bird.
Bird. Okay, accepted because there are lots of birds. Okay, maybe. Okay, do not answer birds anymore. Huh? Birds is already finished. Walk and fly. Yes. Yes, yes. What's your answer?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, here we have this girl. Yes, girl. What's your answer? Can walk and can fly. You don't know? Okay. Okay, that's okay. We have here the new one. Okay, yes. What's your answer?
Chicken.
What? Again, please. Again, please.
Chicken.
Yeah. Okay. Chicken is accepted. Okay. Chicken is okay. I accept that one because some chicken can fly. All right. So we have the twins. Twins.
Parrot.
Parrot. Thank you. Parrot is finished. I told already. All right. So what about notebook?
Crow can fly.
What?
Crow can fly.
Again, please.
Crow can fly.
Croc. What's that? Croc.
Crow can fly.
Walk and fly.
Yes.
Give one animal. We give one animal that can walk and can fly as well. Yorch. Yes, Yorch.
Flamingo.
Okay, flamingo. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So about this girl? Yeah, girl. What's your answer?
Bat.
Okay, thank you. I think you have the same answer. So thank you so much. And let's proceed because we don't have time. Some animals fly with their wings, like butterflies, like dragonfly. Now, how do other animals move? Of course, the snake slithers. The snake slithers because they don't have legs to walk. And they don't crawl because they don't have legs to be used for crawling. So the snake definitely is slithering from the ground. Okay, slither. That is the correct word. Not crawling, not walking. It's slither. Next, dolphins swim with their fins. Ants crawl with their 6 legs. Okay, now let's do this. Monkeys can climb and swing. Chimpanzee can climb and swing. Remember, hippopotamus can walk. Okay, hippopotamus can walk. Eagle can fly. Bird can fly. Kangaroo can jump. Kangaroo can jump. Frog can jump, can swim, can crawl. Yes. Ant can crawl. Yes. Crocodile can swim. A bird. Fish can swim. Shark can swim. Snake can slither. Earthworm can slither. Now, this one in our short tests, I want you to answer. And of course, if you want to answer, just raise your hand. Then, of course, I will recognize you if you will raise your hand. Okay? Not yet. Okay, are you ready? Next, number one. What is... Oh no. How do this animal move? I not do, does. How does this animal move? Correct me because I'm wrong. My grammar is wrong. How does this animal move? iPhone?
Flitter.
Oh, thank you. The answer is leader. Let's see.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Correct.
1.
So your answer is the snake slithers. Very good. Next, monkey. Yes.
Chimpanzee.
Very noisy there. So how about this one? Prasim, Delta. How does this animal move?
Walk.
No, okay. All right. Okay, wrong. What about this boy? Thank you. Okay, show your camera if you want to answer, okay? If you want to answer, show your camera. I will not recognize if you will not show your camera. Okay, we have her, the girl.
Swing.
Swing. Swing and?
Yeah.
Swing and? Climb. Okay, I will accept the swing already. Yeah, swing and?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so swing and climb. So swing is okay. I will accept that one. Okay, we have here the tweet. Okay, no one is raising their hands. Okay, this one. Yes.
Ham.
This one. How? How does this animal move?
Walk.
Walk. Very good. Let's see. Your answer is walk.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. So this animal actually move. The movement of this animal is by walking. Okay. Next we have. Okay. Next, this boy. Ken, what is your answer?
Fly.
Fly. Let's see if your answer is correct.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got it. Your answer is correct. Next, notebook. Notebook. What is the answer of this one? You don't know? What is the answer? Starts with letter S.
Fly.
Slide. Slide. It's not slide. It's not slide. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. It's not slide. Austin.
Slither.
Slither. Let's see if your answer is correct, Austin.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, your answer is correct. It's slither. Next, kangaroo. how does kangaroo move? Okay, I will give time to notebook. Oh, Stang, later on. I will call you Stang. Later. Next to notebook. Okay, notebook, this is for you. Stang, stable. I will call you.
Kangaroo can jump.
Kangaroo can jump. Let's see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so where's Stang? Stang, where are you? Okay, Stang, this is for you. Where are you, Stang? Raise your hand, please. I cannot see you now. Yeah, if you will not raise your hand, I will not recognize you. Stang, where are you? Okay, here, Stang. This is for you. What do you think?
Jump.
Jump. Oh, thank you.
5,
Let's see if your answer is
3,
correct.
2, 1.
Yes. Next, the crocodile. iPhone, yes. What's your answer to this one?
Swim.
Swim. Let's see. Swim or crawl. Let's
5,
see.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Next. This girl. Yes. Oh, Prasin. Later on. Prasin, huh? This is like how many? Yeah, Prasin is the last.
Swim.
Swim. Let's see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, last we have Delta. How does this animal move?
Fly.
Fly. Let's see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, fly. Okay, thank you so much, kids, for the time that you have given to me, and thank you for coming. You will learn something about how do animals move, or the movement of animals, and we learn that animals can swim, can fly, can crawl, can slither, and animals has different movements as we look at them. And kids, please study hardly, and good luck to your tests, because next week is your test already, and I hope that you can get a good score as you're going to take the test. Of course, before we end, I want you to open your book on page 34. Some C and answer this one. Page 34. Okay, page 34, answer it correctly. Thank you so much for coming and have a good day.